Hello gardeners, hello friends. The other day somebody asked me a question when I mentioned in one of my videos that the color of my house, which is yellow, is getting a little bit old with me and I would love to change it, but you know, you can't do it just like that in a matter of seconds. And somebody was curious and they asked me a question, what color would you change it for? And I thought about it and I realized that the future color of my house is on my mind for a long time already. In the front of my house, at the front windows, I painted beautiful Ukrainian floral flowers directly onto the house. And they look good with the yellow color. But I wouldn't, if I would have a chance to repaint my house, which probably eventually will happen at some point, I would do a totally different color. And today in this video we are going to talk about color of the house to fit well into the landscape around it. Because there are a lot of reasons why people choose color, right? Some people choose color for it to last for a long time. Some people don't want to have any excitement to see in the house. Some people want to have excitement and they paint their houses in all different colors. But for me, I would love to fit the house well with the landscape, with garden. And there are certain colors which look very good with the garden and some are not. So this video is about that. Let's talk about color. I'm not a professional colorist, but I do like what I like. So here is my version of what my future color of the house will be. I consider nature to be a great teacher, and through experiments and thoughts and observations I realized that warm colors of nature, the warm colors of wood, warm colors of aged bark can be a great background for a lot of plants. And they are. In nature we see all our green plants, our flowers against those backgrounds. And I would say that for me that would be the color of my future house. The color of a very light, warm coffee. Light brown color, maybe mixed a little bit with yellow. And just imagine against that so many beautiful vines and roses and green shrubs can be showcased against the house. For example, right now I have a yellow house and many flowers are lost on that great big space of yellow. But if you would have a chocolate house, a house with light coffee color, plants will look so much better on that. That background will enhance the greens, different shades of greens and different shades of flowers. I love fabrics, and here I have a small piece of fabric, but I love this color. This color is a color of aged wood, the comfortable surface where the wood was sitting on the sun for many hours and it turned from dark color into this beautiful light coffee color. And when I if I put all the different flowers against this color, you will see that the background is comfortable. Everything looks very good on this color, and you can see all the details. All the flowers are comfortable against this chocolate color, and the green looks good. So this would be probably the best color I choose for my house, because I want my house to be anchored well with the garden around it, and I want to train all sorts of vines and shrubs to go against the walls of the house. So this is my thought process, how I am coming to choosing my next color, the color of my house. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite color for the house, and how does it play with your gardens? Please let me know and let's have a discussion under this video. Happy gardening. I will see you next time.